by Study Buddies. Food security means ensuring availability, accessibility, and affordability of food for all people. A country is food secure when all its citizens have enough nutritious food at all times. It depends on the production, storage, and distribution of food grains. Food is a basic need for survival. Introduction. Why food security is needed. Food is essential for survival and health, prevents hunger and malnutrition, ensures social stability and economic productivity, helps in poverty reduction and national growth. India's population is highly dependent on agriculture. Natural climates like droughts and floods can cause food shortage. Poor families face difficulty purchasing food due to low income. Dimensions of food security: availability, sufficient food production; accessibility, people can obtain it easily; affordability, people can afford nutritious food. Food security in India. India has large population risk of food shortages. Government ensures food security through public systems and policies. Poor families often rely on subsidized grains from ration shops. Who are food insecure people? Rural landless laborers and small farmers. Urban poor such as street vendors and daily wage workers. SCs, STs, and some backward classes. Women and children in poor families. Causes of food insecurity: poverty and unemployment, unequal income distribution, low agricultural productivity, natural disasters and inflation, lack of education and awareness. Green Revolution introduced high-yielding variety, HYV, seeds, fertilizers, and irrigation, boosted production of wheat and rice, helped India achieve self-sufficiency in food grains, led by scientists like M.S. Swaminathan. Established to distribute food grains at low prices, helps poor households get essential food, works through ration shops, fair price shops, supported by central and state governments, provides food at subsidized rates to BPL and APL families, items distributed, rice, wheat, sugar, and kerosene, ensures affordability and accessibility of food. Public Distribution System, PDS. Role of cooperatives. Cooperatives and NGOs assist in food distribution. Example: Amul, Gujarat, milk cooperatives improve nutrition and income. Tamil Nadu and Kerala, cooperatives manage fair price shops, help in providing food in remote areas. Major food security programs: Antyodaya Anna Yojana (AAY) for the poorest families, midday meal scheme, free lunch in schools, Integrated Child Development Services (ICDS), food for mothers and children. Government initiatives and reforms: maintaining buffer stocks through FCI, Food Corporation of India, running the Public Distribution System, PDS, implementing nutrition programs and subsidies. National Food Security Act, 2013, gives legal right to food, digital ration cards and biometric systems for transparency, awareness programs on nutrition and hygiene, technology-driven systems to prevent fraud. National Food Security Act, 2013, ensures food and nutritional security for people, provides 5 kilograms of food grains per person per month at subsidized prices, covers up to 75% of rural and 50% of urban population. Buffer stock: stock of food grains maintained by the FCI, collected during surplus years for emergency use, released during shortages to stabilize prices and use at the time of natural disaster. Government buys food grains at minimum support price, MSP, helps stabilize food prices and ensure supply. Challenges to food security: leakage of grains in PDS, poor quality grains distributed, corruption and black marketing, uneven access in remote or tribal areas, climate change affecting crop yield, improper storage and wastage, population pressure and urbanization. Measures to improve food security: promoting organic farming and crop diversity, investing in irrigation and technology, encouraging self-sufficiency and rural development. Conclusion: food security ensures stability, health, and national progress. Continuous efforts are required to eliminate hunger and malnutrition. Quote: a nation that ensures food for all ensures progress for all. Food security ensures a healthy, strong, and productive nation. India has made great progress, but challenges remain. With government efforts and citizen awareness, hunger-free India is possible.